at the car show. Cats at the car show. At the city lot, they rode in twos, little velvet paws and chrome tone hues. One stole a fry off my paper plate, one chased a flare from the license plate. Sally in a drop top, windows wide, Milo in a duffel on the passenger side. They tapped the rims at the burnout stand and winked at the detailer with wax on his hand. Hear that rev, feel that beat, tiny feet on the gleaming stone. Gather round, come and see, this whole block's turned to rolling thrones. Cats at the car show, cats at the car show, the whiskers in the glow. Cats at the car show, cats at the car show. One more cheer for the rides in a row. Cats at the car show. Tabby in a hoodie with a gold chain tied, black cat chilling by the neon sign. They napped on the dash where the sub bass thumps, then sprang like sparks when the kick drum bumps. Hear that rev, feel that beat, tiny feet on the gleaming stone. Gather round, come and see, this whole block's turned to rolling thrones. Cats at the car show, cats at the car show, the whiskers in the glow. Cats at the car show, cats at the car show. One more cheer for the rides in a row. Cats at the car show. When the headlights gleam and the engines burn, they purr like fire and the whole crowd learns. Every shy little heart can join the lane. Just call their names, just call their names. Cats at the car show, cats at the car show, the whiskers in the glow. Cats at the car show, cats at the car show. One more cheer for the rides in a row.